What's going on, guys? So in today's video we're going to be putting the Recon Grapplers on Earl. See how that works, fits, rides, handles, all the good stuff. I want to get those tires on a truck right this second. So we got to get some trucks out of the way in order to get Earl in the basement to put those on. So Trail Boss, you got to move. Next up, Larry, you gotta go. Just flat wagging things. Oh yeah. You wish you was this loud, don't you? Don't you, Trail Boss? What's up, Earl? It's been a minute, not gonna lie, it's been a minute. I know you're gonna crank, bro, because you always do, because you're a freaking beast. Always cranking. Mr. Reliable. Let's go. Let's go. So I promise one of these days coming up, I'm actually gonna get off work in time to go get the exhaust done on this thing, get my True Duals ran. But Earl's really just been chilling, so I wanna go ahead and throw the stock Trail Boss wheels on the truck and see how the 35 11 50 20 Recon Grapplers look on here. You know, I don't think black wheels is necessarily the best look for this truck, how we've got it set up, but street tires just ain't the move on Earl. I want to see some little grippies on here. So let's go ahead and pull this thing in. I'll get them swapped over. I ain't gonna bore y'all with that, and then we'll check it out. And I've also got a really cool swag pack from Nitto as well. We're gonna open that on camera and see what all they sent me. So I'm gonna swap it out and I'll catch up with y'all after. So y'all know I'm honestly not a very big fan of black wheels on Earl, but honestly this came out freaking sick. It is super beefy looking. Look at that gum, boy. Earl's stuffing the 35 11 50 20 Recon Grapplers, and they look surprisingly really good on there. I mean, I think that's pretty daggone sick. They're definitely stuffed on there. They're big. I think these are maybe taller than the Gladiators were. Didn't notice any rubbing when I backed it out of here, so that's freaking awesome. The fit is pretty much as good as you could ask. Pretty much perfectly flush. I think that looks really good. Now we got a good looking setup on every truck, dude. We got the what are they, Crosswind MT 315 75 16s on Larry stock wheels, 22x12 ballistic rages with the 33 1250 Turos on the Trail Boss, and now 35 11 50 Recon Grapplers on Earl. Yeah, that's freaking sick looking. Maybe instead of keeping these tires on the Trail Boss wheels, we get some like 20-inch chrome replicas and put those on here and then just leave that on Earl. I think that'd be really sick. I do also want to put them on the Trail Boss and have the off-road look, do some off-roading with it, exploring. So I'm also thinking about doing some of the off-road style 20-inch wheels and, you know, a little bit more offset because I don't want them sucked in. Push them out a little offset. I think that's honestly probably what I'm gonna do. I think that'd be the smartest thing. That way I could swap them back and forth between the Trail Boss and Earl. And if I put the chromies on here, it'll look good, and I'm sure I can put them on here to show y'all, but it won't be as functional if I did do the off-road wheels, and then we can go exploring with the Trail Boss. I think that's the move. But y'all comment down below and let me know. So obviously we put the Nitto Recon Grapplers on this truck. I've said it like 20 times. So I am super excited. I got this in the mail today. I wanted to unbox it with y'all. So part of the Nitto pit crew. Got a hat, got the Driveline magazine. That's freaking sick. And then check this out. So Nitto, I guess, man, they're with Carhartt, so like super sick bag. Nitto, Carhartt, it's freaking sick. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. Huge shout out to Nitto for this. What we got here is just like a little baggie. Oh heck yeah, a little bit bag. Nitto. Sick. Ooh, stickers. Oh yeah, Nitto stickers. Oh, we got another stickers. These are maybe a bigger Nitto. Oh, is that a windshield banner? Oh no, it's kind of hard to make that out. I'll have to unroll it completely. Stickers are always much appreciated. Holy, can y'all see that? Freaking thermos or steel. Oh, holy crap. Dude, that's freaking sick. I don't usually tote around one of these, but I'm actually going to. That is freaking awesome. That's definitely my favorite thing pulled out of here so far. Let's see what else. Nitto t-shirt. Gotta love it. Got this, oh, daggum zip up Carhartt. Nitto. Holy crap, that is freaking awesome. Key tag, drive line. Dude, they freaking hooked it up. Nitto socks, what the heck? Now that's exclusive right there. Nitto socks. Another key tag, red one. A pin, Nitto pin. What? Y'all see that? Take it off. Oh, she's ready to write. She's ready to write. Okay, not on me. Last thing, we got a, whatever these things are called, lanyard. So another huge shout out to Nitto for sending me out this swag pack. This is absolutely the most awesome thing I've ever been sent. There's so much cool stuff in here. So many things I'm gonna use. That's so awesome. So once again, huge shout out to Nitto. I figured I'd open this up with y'all. It's thanks to y'all that I am part of the Nitto pit crew, because y'all watch my videos and all that good stuff. You like seeing products from Nitto, and we need to get some mud grabs. But yeah, so shout out to Nitto, making Earl look good. About to make me look good. This is full crank, no rubbing at all. I don't know if these are technically as big as the Gladiators. Maybe they are. They're not. Neither of these nor the Gladiators are a full 35-inch tall tire. They're a little bit shorter. But yeah, no rubbing from the little bit of trimming we did. Perfectly good. So yeah, I think this is a pretty daggum good look. So I wanted to throw these on here, get Earl looking right again, roadworthy. I mean, it was roadworthy before, but actually looking good. Showcase these tires on there for y'all. That's gonna about do it for this one though, guys. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think about the swag pack from Nitto and the Recon Grapplers on Earl, as well as the wheel situation that I talked about. Let me know which route you think we should go. And with all that being said, hopefully you did enjoy. I will catch y'all in the next one.